Hey, how you guys doing? This is Rob back with another video for you. Today I want to show you how I make faceless YouTube videos in under 10 minutes with InstaDoodle. Now, if you guys have never heard of this before, this is a AI software that automatically creates whiteboard animation for you. So before I get started, I just want to show you what the prices are for this. Now, these are the standard prices, $47 a month. $67 a month if you want to do the pro. It has a lot more features with it. Or agency, you don't have to worry about that. That is if you have a whole team working for you. But if you sign up for this from the link in my video description, you are going to get access to an incredible deal. Okay, guys, if you click on the link in the video description, you are going to be taken to a special page where you can get a lifetime deal. So instead of paying this $47 a month or $67 a month for the pro, you can pay $37 one time or $67 for one time. So I recommend going ahead and getting the $67 for the one time. Gives you the color enhancements and a lot more features on there. And I mean, guys, even if you're not even sure about this and you just want to try it, $37 for one time compared to testing it out for $47 a month, I mean, it's a no-brainer. All right, guys, so let me jump back over here to the video. And this is not going to be a super long video about every single step you need to take. I'm just going to kind of go through the motions real quick and show you how fast it is to create a whiteboard video. And then if you want to see a video, more detailed explanation of how I use ChatGPT to get customized videos exactly the way I want, I'll make a video for that. Just let me know in the comments. But basically, once you get to your screen here, your first dashboard, it's going to show all the projects you've done before. You can change the format. This is a YouTube style format, and this will be Instagram or TikTok, Facebook style format. So we just click on this. Now you have two different things. Manual mode is where you're going to be going through, typing things in. That's where you might want to use ChatGPT to help you with the script. Or I use the AI wizard. Now, even if you pay for the lifetime subscription, guys, the one-time fee, you're going to use AI credits. I think you get like 150 a month. You don't have to use these. You can use the manual mode. This is just so much easier, right? And you can also contact support and say, hey, I don't want to be paying all the time for AI credits. Can I pay a one-time fee for unlimited credits? And they let me do it. I think it was like $99 like a year or so, but it's probably more than that now. But so that's something worth checking out. So basically, you just want to click on next. You have idea to video, where you can just put in an idea right here real fast, or you can go script to video. This is where you're using ChatGPT to build your video based on whatever topic that you want, whatever script. So we're just, for the purpose of this one, we're just going to go idea to video, and we're just going to do weight loss videos at home. Click on generate script. This does the whole script for you. So if you just want to make a video based off of an idea that you have, you don't have the whole script written out, you can just do this way. All right, now this will take just a few moments depending on how fast your computer is. Mine is not super fast. I need a better graphics card, but here we go. So this shows you what each slide is going to look like, and then this is the image prompt. You can change it. I usually just let it go through whatever it is, and then you can change it as it's building to. So we'll just click on next, and you can pick if you want it to be just black and white or color. You can change the presentation size once again, and then you have a bunch of different formats. I like the business format just because it has some extra stuff drawn on the outside of it. Gives you a little more sketches. Now, this comes with a standard 6 voices. You can InstaDoodle AI does have a lot of upgrades, right? So if you want to get like 50 or however many voices, you can pay for more, but the standard voices are fine for me.
Hey, I'm Zachary. Ready?
You can hear a couple different ones.
Hello, I'm Delilah. With my voice,
So
your
we're just gonna go
voiceover
with
can be both
Zachary
powerful.
right now. Then we're going to give this a moment. This will start building up your storyboard. Now the length is going to be depending on how many scenes you have. On average, if you just let it build one for itself, it's usually 3 or 4 minutes long, 2 to 4 minutes, but you can make it as long as you want. You can add any kind of customizations in there. On my videos, sometimes I'll put at the end, I'll ask ChatGPT to create me a scene for comments and subscriptions, things like that. And then at the end of the video, that'll pop up and it'll do a little sketch of please subscribe and things like that. So this is building up. You can see how fast it's going. It's only been a moment or two. And then this should pop up in a second. Okay, guys, now the video is populated. It has all the screens set up. It always does have one left here at the end, so don't worry about that. You guys can move this stuff around as you want. You can adjust it however you want. Okay, now if you want to see a preview of it, you can just go ahead and click play. And it'll take a second.
If you want to lose weight without paying for a gym or spending hours figuring out what to do, home workouts can be a game changer. The key is simple. Move your body consistently, keep your heart rate up, and choose exercises that use multiple muscle groups at once.
Okay guys, I am just going to go ahead and show you how to export this. Just click up here. You can just choose whichever definition you want. I don't really worry too much about going anything over 720p because it's just a whiteboard sketch anyway. So you just want to hit render and it will render whichever one you want, and then you click download. Comes right up here. Click on the folder, it will show exactly where it's at. Now you can open this up and check out your
If you want to
video,
lose
make
weight
sure
without paying
everything
for a
was
gym
good.
or spending hours figuring out what to do, home workouts can be a game changer.
And we'll kind of skip through it a little bit.
That means more calories burned in less time. Start with a quick warm-up, march in place, swing,
And there you go, guys. I'll just kind of fast forward
or
through some of
increase
it.
your reps to make it harder.
All right, guys, that's about it. That's all you have to do. Once you export your video, you can load it up into CapCut if you need to do any final editing on it, add any music to it or any effects like that. Or you can just upload it straight to YouTube or whatever platform you're using. If you guys have any questions, please let me know. If you want to see more videos about, how you can do certain things, if you're interested in them, finding out more about how to create characters with AI or upload images of yourself, just let me know. I'll make some videos about that. But until next time, guys, please just like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. Again, this is Raw Thomas Reviews. I appreciate it so much, guys. Thanks again. I'll see you on the next one.